name is Stephanie Candelaria, and I'm a junior here at Bassett High School. And first, I would like to thank you all for coming. But most importantly, I would like to thank all of you for making the school a better place for our generation and the next generation to come. There are many great things that all of you here today have made possible. My personal favorite is the library.
With Measure V, our district was able to innovate each of our classrooms throughout all of our schools with state-of-the-art technology. Some of these improvements include 80-inch interactive smartboards, providing our teachers with the ability to create more interactive lessons and presentations for our children. Our students and teachers also have access to wireless microphones that distribute sound evenly throughout the classroom via surround sound audio systems, giving our shy and quiet students the opportunity to be heard, and also providing some less stress on the voices of our teachers. We also have shared classroom sets of iPads and laptops, which allow our students to gain experience with industry-level programs, including iMovie, Adobe Suite, and to use educational computer programs that cater to individual learning levels.
We teach 21st century skills like collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking, and it's easier with technology than ever to do these things. It's a great time, it's an exciting time to be at Bassett because we have a lot of stuff we're planning for our future, and I'd be really excited to be a student here in Bassett with all the stuff we're doing.